Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, I'm just doing a quick unboxing of the iPhone 12. But before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, don't adjust your screens. That is an iPhone on Forest Tech Reviews channel. Yes, I know. Don't adjust your screen. I decided to pick up the iPhone 12 in blue. Actually, I got it for my son. We're gonna trade in his 10R, which is right here. And we're getting some money back from T-Mobile. But we're definitely gonna test out the cameras. In this video, I'm gonna just do a quick unboxing. There's not much to unbox, by the way. Like, what the heck happened to the box, Apple? I think we all know, but we'll definitely get into the unboxing. I'm gonna go over and give you like a first look of the phone, and we can talk about the color. I do also have a black one, which is my other son's phone. I'm gonna show that off in a different video. But this is the box from Apple. I don't know if everybody's aware of it, probably so. You do not get a charging brick in here or headphones, but let's get into it. They do make it a little bit easy to open though. If you're picking up an iPhone, which one are you getting? The iPhone 12, the 12 Pro, the Mini, or the Max, the big boy? I think my daughter wants the Pro Max. I think that's what she's waiting for. But if you want to pause it, you can pause and read it there. Let's see what you get in there. Oh, look at that blue. Look at the blue. Oh. I wish that blue was not as shiny. I wish it was kind of like that matte finish on the sides. But look how boxy this thing is too. Hold on. Shh. That wasn't that exciting, but look at that. All right, so let's see what else you get in the box. I'm gonna try to start this bad boy. I don't even know where the power button is on these phones. Designed by Apple, so you get some books. You even get a sticker. Oh, SIM card slot. They give you one sticker these days. Apple said they are trying to save the environment. What y'all think? Are they saving the environment by not putting a charging brick in there? And then here's the thing that gets me too. Still a lightning cable, but it's a USB Type-C. So all the owners, like my son, has to buy a new charging brick. What's up with that, y'all? What y'all think? I think that's kind of shady. I'm not gonna lie. That is shady stuff right there. But hey, if you're an Apple fan, you probably won't think so. And that's pretty much all you get in the box. Really quick. So I did get the 64 gig model. 64 gigs on a phone in 2020. Yeah, I know it comes with the Bionic chip, the 14. Also, iOS 14 will be on here. Look at the bottom. You have a speaker. Then you also have the lightning bolt cable charger. It comes with wireless charging now, water resistance. What y'all like about that boxy design? There's the SIM card slot, the volume rockers, the notification slide. Nothing at the top. No headphones, and no headphones in the box. Look at that. What y'all think about this? Hello. And then there's the cameras. The cameras on the back, you have two 12 megapixel cameras. You have a wide angle and then an ultra wide angle. And then on the front is a 12 megapixel camera too. Shoots in 4K at 60 on both rear and front cameras. So we definitely will test out the cameras on here too. But this is the unboxing of the blue. Are y'all picking up the blue? What color are you picking up? Y'all let me know in the description. Are you an Apple fanboy or do you rock with Android? Look at the lip action on there too. What y'all think? Is that a lot? No. It's actually pretty flush. It feels pretty good too. Not too bad. It's kind of boxy though. It is 6.1 inch screen too, so what y'all think? I think this blue looks pretty good. Let's put it up here. All right, y'all let me know in the comments what other videos you want to see from me with the iPhone 12. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more coverage on the iPhone. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Blue for the win. Let's go.